Today, we're going to make our family emergency kit together. We thought about the most important things we'll need. Dad said we need a radio. And of course, we need something yummy to eat. I'm helping Mom get the food together. We put everything in the bag. I remember the flashlights, yummy food, first aid kit, some fun stuff to play with, and my teddy bear. He's my second favorite. Let's put the bag in a place where we can all find it. Quick! We might not ever need it, but if we do, it's ready. See you later, Teddy.